Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ChatAI token. Name of the token is ChatAI, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the ChatAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is brand new. I just tried looking it up on Dex Tools, and nothing would even pop up there. Try on Dex Screener here, and there seems to be no pools. Now, this is a Solana token. Name of the token and ticker symbol are the same, ChatAI. Max supply is 125 million tokens. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting March 22nd, it will be listed at 10 a.m. on Gate, or Gate.io. So if you're looking to get this token, we'll go over a couple different ways because Gate is not available in everyone's country. So yeah, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could get it on your PC at Gate.io. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ChatAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So second way you can get the token is around the same time that it gets listed on Gate. This is on the Solana blockchain. So Solana tokens get listed on RAYDIUM and Jupiter. So basically, you just have a wallet like a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet. Fund that wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps. Find RAYDIUM after it gets listed on there, probably around March 22nd or so. You can follow their socials. We'll get to that in a second to find out exactly when pools get filled and all that type of stuff. And then you would trade your Sol for the ChatAI token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, chatai.style. Now, how the tokens are split up, we got 10% for community incentive market operations. We got 10% for the first round of financing, mainly individual investors. All of these have their own cliff and lockup period, TGE, stuff like that. So, and then it says 10% second round of financing, mainly individual investors, and then 30% pledge mining, it says here. So, all pledge output by users. Now, ChatAI, a social and gaming platform developed based on Solana and powered by artificial intelligence. ChatAI has accumulated 200 W plus users, mainly in Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Vietnam, and Nigeria, and so on, based on Stanford's AI game model and OpenAI's algorithm model. ChatAI launched ChatAI's first AI game called ChatAI Town. So, on their webpage, if you go to chatai.style, you can log in or register. You could change the language. There's a roadmap on here. There is a full white paper. There is iOS download, Android download, and web version. And there's a little YouTube trailer you could watch on here. And yeah, privacy policy, that type of stuff there. So white paper is 12 pages long. It's not crazy long or anything like that. So it says ChatAI, create, connect, and love. Scenario value, do you want to create 1,000 different selves, socialize with different friends? Do you wish to create an idol? Perhaps one of your idols created is waiting for you. Do you want to have more interesting parallel worlds that are open to different social experiences? If you have more social activities that you hope to do, but you don't have time or the courage or the ability to, you can come to ChatAI to open up a whole new world. Now, I do believe if you go over the page, it does some of the stuff I had to correct or whatever. It seems kind of strange wording because it's. I think it is translated and the grammar might be slightly off when you do check out this project. So just be aware of that. ChatAI is a social product based on AI technology. Users can customize AI's persona, voice, and image and have conversations and chats with them. They can chat with the AI on any topic and also experienced AI shared by other users. So other users can create AIs and be like, check out my AI, dude. And then they're like, that's cool AI. You know what I'm saying? ChatAI adopts natural language processing technology which can help users to conduct real-time language interaction, including chat, dialogue, translation, question and answers, and other functions. ChatAI can also continuously learn and optimize its own performance based on user language and behavioral data, bringing users an unprecedented social experience. Users can use algorithms to generate individuals who are similar to themselves but also have different personalities through learning from a person's past videos, text, and images. So I guess basically you could punch in like, stock investor on YouTube channel, put me into the AI, and there's like lots of videos, so they'd be able to have me saying all sorts of different words, and then you could create a stock investor AI that's going to be like, what up, y'all? Here's a new video. So then we have ChatAI can become your own personal secretary, providing you with various challenges in different scenarios when you work, live, and make friends. So in addition to that, the chat function, ChatAI provides some interesting features such as chat generator or story generator, etc., allowing users to generate their own chat conversations and stories. Now, ChatAI supports multiple languages and can provide services to users worldwide. So it is artificial intelligence social of the future. ChatAI is a AI social product. And it's going to be more intelligent, personalized, interesting, and have useful social experiences. Now they have personal experiences, natural language processing, virtual reality, augmented reality, intelligent interactions. You can chat. There's dialogue, translations, question and answers, story generator, and chat generator. So compared to other ones in the past, this one's more efficient, intelligent, interesting, and has global coverage. And so it's getting this brand new central exchange listing on Gate, and then around the same time this token, since it's a Solana token, will go over to Raydium and Jupiter, so you'll be able to check it out over there as well. Now let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.